In this video, I'll show you how to set alarm on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first, head over to your desktop background, right? This is our desktop background. Scroll down, click on this search taskbar, type in clock. Yeah, it has already displayed, so I'll click on this clock. Now we want to set an alarm on our PC, right? So these are the few options displayed here. Focus sessions, timer. You can set a timer, you can set an alarm, you can set a stopwatch, you can set a word clock. So we want to set an alarm here on our PC. What I need to do, you need to come on to this displayed option, click on this, turn it on. You can come on here and adjust the time you want. It can be 6 o'clock a.m., it can be 6:02, it can be 6 p.m., 6:02 p.m., right? You can come on here and type in the alarm name you want for this alarm. You can type in good morning, you can type in good afternoon, you can type in good evening, right? Repeat alarm, you can put this alarm to repeated on Sunday or to repeated on these following days, right? You can remove some days of your choice, you can still include some days, right? Then if you have some musics here on your PC, you can choose from the musics here, right? For the alarm, then you can set time you want this alarm to ring to, right? It can be 5 minutes, it can ring for 5 minutes, it can ring for 10, 20, 30, even an hour, right? So once you're done with all these settings, you'd come on here and click on this save, right? But this is basically an educational and a tutorial video, so everything I'm doing here won't be applied, right? So this is basically how you can set an alarm on your PC. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. If you got any questions, include them below as well in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.